weekend. Poor little boy.
Everything we say is on camera.
Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Wait, we should start a podcast.
Oh, just us bagging out our friends.
That's it.
No one else will get it or listen to it, but...
Then we'll have Brady and be able to tell us how to do it completely. With his little YouTube
What do you call this
channel.
one, Kex?
Squatting monkey.
This is the nut scratcher. You gotta switch hands, or the poop scoop. Scoop it up.
What are you stretching when you're doing that?
Well, the hips are just the squat is working the hips, and then you're stretching your
I'm
lat.
surprised he hasn't pooed himself.
And how do you feel about taking on absolute alcohol today? What's your vibe?
Mixed
current?
feelings. There should be some alcohol involved.
Are you still feeling as confident as you did yesterday?
Yeah, bro. Easy.
What did you say? Biceps and...
What was it?
Confidence and biceps.
biceps.
That's
Yeah,
right.
Confidence in biceps.
Oh!
That's absolute alcohol.
On his butt.
This is showtime. Kirk's on absolute alcohol. His nemesis for many a year. Because it's such a hard few little cruxes. But we're capturing it on camera because we're confident he can do it today. He's moving swiftly up the first few meters. Looking confident.
I hope he does.
Looking super confident.
Just Kirks. Yeah, trust the feet.
Do I look confident?
Yes, you do actually. You do.
It's alright, we'll see that disappear soon.
You just gotta get to the crux. Not tired.
That's it. So we're
Full of comfort.
having an insight into Kirk's strategy here. Move swiftly up the rock, avoid any pump, and save his arms for the hard bits.
Nice.
Yeah, Kirky.
Excellent work, Kirky, there. You can see he's taped his fingers for strategic advantages.
He has taped his fingers.
Mostly,
Looks
I
sick,
think he
Kirk.
does it to make himself look cool.
Yeah, I was about to say.
And there's
Yeah,
the
buddy.
trademark Kirky climbing technique,
Oh,
where he uses his fifth arm for a little extra friction.
The old extra foot grab.
Well done, Kirks. He really has got to trademark that one because
Yeah.
it's going to catch on. Now
Something will
I don't know what
catch.
to do.
we're 90 seconds into the climb
Up
here,
and right.
and he's struck his first challenge.
Rattle.
See if there's a right foot, and then pop your right hand up. You'll be able to see the hold.
Yeah, I think
There's Nath given some timely advice
Sorry.
as he pushes through.
Go up, Kirky.
There's some less useful advice.
That's the most useful advice.
Sometimes I need that though.
Yeah. Otherwise, you'd be up there half an hour, just like, oh yeah, that's what I'm doing up here.
Climbing sideways, so I'm just
Yeah,
like,
Kirks.
wait, no, you
Excellent,
should
Kirks.
probably straight up, Jake.
A little foot smearing occurring here as he reaches
Nice, buddy.
showtime.
A bit higher.
He reaches the first crux.
Almost.
Yeah, this is where Carl should have bolted.
That's a bit of dark humour.
Fun little story.
Instead, he was a little bit too far that way.
Yeah.
He cheated the up.
It's a bit savage, Kirks.
Yeah, come on, man, it's too soon.
He's not even out of hospital yet.
Stop.
Oh, don't do that.
Oh, stop.
Look, I'm trying to focus here.
Are you though?
Yeah, you're getting to the crux.
That's the best, when you're almost at the crux, but you're asking if you're already on it.
No, he's looking
Get a
good.
bit higher up.
Nice. How's your plan going?
What plan?
Don't get pumped.
Now you can see here, Kirks needs to swing around in my direction to make this work. This is where things get
Can you
tricky.
see the hold, Kirks? Yep, on that. It's crap. Left hand.
You gotta trust the feet
Get the
here.
feet up.
You can see him
Nice.
thinking through.
Feet up high.
Beautiful.
See if you can get him up higher.
Now, he's got to reach that left hand up. And then the right hand's got to find a little triangle. Can he do it? This is as far as he's gotten previously.
It is actually.
He's past the point, and he's looking great. Normally he's a screaming baby at this point. Excellent work. Choicey pick of his butt here as we see that right leg quaver under tension.
Well, I do like a good quiver leg.
I do like the Elvis leg.
Now he's
Janky
pulling
leg.
hard and pressing into...
The quick
Yeah, buddy.
There he is.
Oh,
Little slip
Save.
just to keep us on our toes.
Oh, mate.
Feel his sphincter clench at that moment, I think.
TV
All
series.
sakes.
Butthole is now.
Excellent work, Kirky.
What's next?
Just keep going up that crack.
You're doing really good.
Up
Fingers in the cracks, Kirk.
And then there's a hole, there's a jug at the top. You can literally see it.
Yes, come on, Kirks. Everyone sitting at home needs to be cheering Kirks at this
Come
moment.
on, you can get this.
Make his woman proud. Come on, Tyler. Let's hear it.
Get the right hand in the crack and then move the left hand up.
I got nothing.
Yeah, you do.
You've got more than you think, Kirks. Believe in yourself,
Yeah, so you can get
because
that
that's
left
the
foot
place to
on.
start.
Something higher.
Power up.
Left foot up. Yeah,
That's
nice.
Now
Keep
he's
going.
been on the rock for nearly 5 minutes here, so his arms are going to be
Get that
feeling
jug.
tired.
Get the jug.
He's full of self-doubt,
Yeah, buddy.
Power up.
but his friends believe in him below.
Going.
Come on, Kirky.
Yes, Kirks.
Yes, Kirks.
Yes, Kirks.
Oh, there's some leg shaking going on. Yes, Kirky. Woo!
Oh, mate.
Yes.
Can I get a
What an epic battle.
Wish I could follow that noise.
That was a beautiful
Now don't follow the crack up.
Add it to
There's-
James Scream that one time. We'll start to make a compilation of rock climbing noises. Oh, mate.
Yes, Kirkalicious.
It was almost a high yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You're doing so
Now, he's about to head out of sight, but he needs to find a high right hand there
through me.
and power through the last few meters. He's been on the rock for nearly 6 minutes.
Better than sex.
Kirky's...
Throw a leg over right now.
It's not true. I
Kirky, can we just interrupt you? And how do you feel at this stage? First thought that jumps to mind.
I thought I was gone 4 times there.
Yeah. Well, he's nearly done, so we'll touch bases with him once he's down and see how he feels. All right, Kirks. First
I'll do
thoughts, first impressions.
Oh man,
Hit us.
never again. That one is brutal. You actually feel like you're gonna die, and then your feet slip, and then, if you don't fall,
Yeah.
you send it.
What did you have any
Regret.
any thoughts being so close to death and pushing your limits?
Better than sex.
Nah,
Oh, yeah, except
there
for
is a
this
bit of
better
a
than
rush,
sex.
if you know what I mean.
I do, yeah.
Don't look too closely.
That's why he's sitting down.
Brother's a little
I'm not
hyped
climbing
off
next.
adrenaline. Ignore what he's saying. He's a
Look.
decent fellow.
There's many pleasures in this life.
But conquering a hard climb is probably up there with...
Yeah, number one.
Yeah.
Number
Yeah.
one, we won't go into number 2.
Having a good Macca's meal after a hard run, he's meaning to say, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
That's a close second.
What? How are you feeling with this attempt?
We'll see.
What's your plan? What's your mentality right now?
Just go up,
Just go up.
really.
Don't think about it.
Don't think about how sore and tired I am already. As just
I
my
love it.
hands
He's sandbagging already.
tying this rope.
Look at these things. Just give us a little tense. Look at that. Look at that. Katie's a lucky woman.
I tell her every day.
I don't know if she's on board with that idea, but you know. Oh, he's going the proper way.
He's trying, but soon he'll be crying.
Yeah, it will be. Make sure
Do you want me to be? Do you want me to tension it up a little bit more?
just lock me off, Jake.
Yep.
Yeah,
do a lot of slack.
to the ground.
Did you say a lot of slack? Yeah. So he hits the ground just completely.
Yeah, I said there's still a lot of slack.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, Nath. Hey, that's how you do it.
Nice.
I think I got that in camera because I still don't know how you did that.
get to rewatch it later, won't you? Nice.
Alright, not.
Yeah, pivot. Nice.
And then there's this little hold that's not discernible down here, but it's there. A little further to the right now.
I know.
A little higher. Look at that footwork, man.
It's a little bouncy.
That's not how I do it. I just...
Come on, push up.
You just reach up with your lazy gorilla arms.
Nah, I kind of dyno it.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Too far, the wrong way.
No, you're good.
Up.
You're good.
Keep shifting, keep shifting. Or try again.
Yeah, I might have to reposition.
No, come on. Try. Come on.
Nah,
Don't give up.
nah.
Could you switch feet?
Nah, I can't. My right foot is like the only.
All right, Jed. First impressions. What's going through your mind right now?
Just figuring out this. Tying myself
Figuring out the figure eight.
Good start.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. I mean, like,
Just save the brain power for when you're up there.
that's it. All the way up top. What was it? Bacchus. Choppy was fluent. I was perfect.
My mum.
Oh. Yep. Come on. You gotta finish that.
What is who called me? Oh.
Nice.
Yeah.
She really does love you. All right. So, back to Jed.
We should give Jake the camera every time.
I think that's right.
Let's have a look. Oh,
Melts
yeah.
backwards.
No, you're good, mate. You've got the tier. You've got the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And you got a little bit more than a hand left over. That's good. Clap, clap. Oh, I like that. All right, Kirks. He's ready. Let's do this. You've hit the first crux.
Yeah. Alright, no worries. I'm not sure yet.
Yeah. He's gonna be.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, the heel. And then left hand up. You done it.
Hold it.
Come on. Your booty's not sticking out enough.
Oh, so close.
Good.
That was
Good. Kirk's like, good. Didn't complete it first go. Now you're trash like the rest of us.
Aye.
One of us. One of us.
Way too much to that.
Now you look strong.
the Uncle Roger thing.
Much better than this pant
Hi, y'all.
All right.
Come on, Nathy Poo.
thing. Come around more. Yeah, pivot. Nice.
And then there's this little hold that's not discernible down here, but it's there. A little further to the right now.
I know.
A little higher. Look at that footwork, man.
It's a little bouncy.
That's not how I do it. I just...
Come on, push up.
You just reach up with
I
your lazy
just...
gorilla arms.
Nah, I kind of dyno it.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Too far, the wrong way.
No, you're
Aim
good.
up.
You're good.
Keep shifting, keep shifting. Or try again.
Yeah, I might have to reposition.
No, come on. Try. Come on.
Nah,
Don't give up.
nah.
Could you switch feet?
Nah, I can't. My right foot is like the only. save me with my only hope. There it is. I'll grab my hair back out. Put in those.
Yeah, that's the stanky leg we want.
That is incredible stanky leg.
The jingle jangle. Look at it.
Oh,
Yeah.
mate, I can see it from here. It's beautiful. Come a little closer, Jetty boy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
come
just
on.
gonna have a
Come
watch.
on.
Get that right foot up.
You can do it.
Right under that roof.
This is when I
yes,
need the camera.
Jed, that's the hold. Up we pop.
You had it, Jed.
I know I had it.
You're so close, man.
To the next roof.
Let's go.
Whichever way you do it is good enough.
Yeah.
Jake.
We know I'm gonna do something wrong.
Yeah.
or different.
That's why I'm not gonna give you any
Too
beta,
much.
'cause It's not worth
Oh
it.
no, guys, I feel gas. Oh.
Are you serious?
I can't believe no one else was here for that time you almost pooed yourself in that crack at Maury.
Yeah, come on. You gotta find something for the jet noises. Can you get a knee up onto that?
Claim it as your own, Jed.
I think I'm back.
We got it, mate. Don't worry.
What have I done?
Can't talk smack and not get
It's
it
more
back.
what